I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're going to give you a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Commander. Now these Tusk UTV upgrade kits come in 3 different stages, and that way you can find one that fits your personal preferences and your budget. And these are one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your brand new machine. So what these kits are designed for are added protection and comfort while you're out on the trail. They're also going to help your new machine stand out and look good. So with all that being said, when you buy everything in a kit like this, you're going to be saving some money. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we're going to be looking at stage 1. This is the most basic and affordable option, and it comes with some high quality accessories. So the first item in the stage 1 kit is the removable full windshield. Now, like the name suggests, this is easily removable. So if you have a hot day outside and you want maximum airflow into the cab, you can simply pull this off. Or if it's cooler conditions out, you can simply reinstall the hand knobs. Now, the other cool thing about this is it's going to give you the protection you're looking for in the front, and it's scratch resistant. The next item in the kit is the alloy mirrors. Now these come with A-pillar mounts, so that puts them in a good spot. The mirror itself is adjustable, and these mirrors are built for durability. The third item in the kit is the Force aluminum roof. Now this is a great add-on for any side-by-side, and it's going to give you some shade when it's sunny out, and it's also going to protect you from the rain and the mud. Moving on to stage 2, you're getting some added features and accessories with this. Now it is keeping the Force aluminum roof from stage 1, but the first upgrade is with the windshield. So this is your full glass windshield. It's made from laminated auto glass. That's for safety and durability, and it's going to give you the protection you're looking for. The second upgrade in the kit is the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts. Again, these mirrors are in a great spot, and if you happen to hit something with them, they're going to fold out of the way and you can simply fold them right back out. They're really durable and fully adjustable. Your third upgrade in the kit is the polycarb rear window. Now this is going to help enclose the cab, and if you come to a stop, it's going to help keep the dust off of you and help keep some of the elements out. The last upgrade in the kit is the cargo rack. Now this makes it easy to carry additional items with you, whether you're camping or just going on a day trip and you want to bring a cooler with you. Whatever you're bringing with you, it makes it easy to put your luggage on top, and you have plenty of tie-down points to help secure your items. Moving on to stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk, and the first thing I want to talk about is the 30-inch V2 curved LED light bar kit. Now, if you've ever driven your side-by-side at night, you know how important good lighting is. So this has a spot and flood beams on it. So you're going to be able to see far down the trail and to the sides. You're getting almost 180 degrees of visibility with over 16,000 lumens. Now the rest of stage 3 is everything that came in stage 2. So your only upgrade is the 30-inch light bar. But again, what those items are is your full glass windshield, the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts, your Force aluminum roof, polycarb rear window, and a cargo rack. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Commander. If you have any questions about these kits, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need to pick one up, they qualify for free shipping. So go check that out on our website. Now, when you buy one of these, we do have a detailed how-to video to help guide you through the process step by step. But again, if you have any questions about it, leave those questions down in the comments below. Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.